Hey guys, I hope you guys are good. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ruth. I am Mrs. K. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back to yet another vlog. I'm starting this one on a very excited note. Okay, the SHEIN package that has my husband's stuff was still on the buy one get for free now. Just arrived, so let's unpack or unbox. It's not a box, but yeah, he's somewhere around here. I wanted to get like his first impressions. I did say most of the things in here are his actually. Nothing in here belongs to me. Imagine. Okay, so first off we have this why do they call it a cooking machine? I believe it's a cutter because I did cut my finger the other day. So we decided to get this cutting tool. Oh, you actually have to plug it in. Oh, okay. It's very interesting. Not what it looks like. Has these blades inside. Oh, that's gonna come in handy. It uses like a C-type charger. Next up we have this. Humidifier. Oh my god, it's not small.
It's not that small.
Yeah. We were just wondering like what size is gonna come in.
I thought it would be the size of the phone or something.
Oh yeah, no, I expected it to be bigger. Ooh. We got it in the color white, ne? Yeah, it's white. Ooh. This is it. How nice. Nice, ne?
Lovely.
Very nice. So I think so actually. Oh, okay, yep, like you. So you just plug it. It has like a USB. It's the same as the one that we had back home. You pour water and like a oil, essential oil, and then it's gonna display like fire stuff. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen so you guys can have an idea of exactly how it works or what it looks like when it's plugged in. I like it. I really like it. Yeah. Huh?
Oh, it uses C-type battery.
Yeah, I think we're changing the times.
I'm saying it's drizzling outside.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Nice.
Next up. Oh, guys, I have laundry on the line.
Now you can finish it.
Okay. My husband's. Oh my baby, this is nice.
Let me see.
Ah, this is very nice. My husband, we ordered this two-piece for my husband. I actually like it. It's in this beautiful blue color. I think it's gonna fit you, baby. Very nice. She even gave me the worst quality and gave my husband this. Wow. Very nice, baby. We'll try them on, but I'm not going to show you guys because...
But I thought it's cotton kind of...
Oh, material.
Yeah.
I don't know. I expected this one to be the cotton material. This one.
Still same material.
Is it the same material? I don't think so.
I think it was the same thing.
It's not the same material actually. We also got like a two-piece. It's not the same material as the other one, but they're quite similar. In this beautiful, is it a brown beige? Yeah, this beautiful color. You know, I picked this for him, honestly. I did. Because I was thinking vacation, it'd be very nice. And I'd be wearing like a maxi dress or a short dress, like summer. You know, we need to go on an island. Wow, this is nice. I like it. Do you like it?
This looks like it's water
resistant.
It won't dry up
easily. Yeah, I like that. This is what the shirt
the same material.
Looks like. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I actually like it though. I like the material. Lastly, the most expensive of them all. This jacket was like £33, I think. It's supposed to be very warm.
Material-wise?
Material-wise, smells bad. It's this material, I don't know how to describe it. Sort of like a bomber jacket material. Yeah. It's supposed to have yeah, wool on the inside, like a fleece type material on the inside. Yes. It's gonna fit you though. It smells really, really bad. Anyways, that's it from our little haul. I'll see you guys. Let's make some wings and wedgies. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my all-time favorite seasoning or spice for wedgies. Okay, you cannot go wrong, baby. You're not gonna go wrong. And one thing I don't do is I don't boil my potatoes before putting them in the oven. I put them straight in the oven, and I'm gonna put my wings on the side, and then the other side I'm gonna put my potatoes, and then I'm gonna make a green salad on the side. Then dinner will be ready. So little effort, a great dinner, right? Hurry. We have our potatoes. I just cut them. I'm gonna put oil, lots of oil actually. Each potato must have oil, otherwise they're gonna be dry. Nah, so I'm just gonna do that. You see this girl right here? You see this girl? Robinsons did a thing with her. I promise you, you're not gonna go wrong. So I'm gonna put them in the oven for about 45 minutes on 180 degrees. Make sure the oven heat is coming from both up and down. I just put my tray in the middle.
Baby, not the way that you talk and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so.
There we have it.
Fine, baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind when my mind let go. And I no go lie.
This is the final product. Those are our wedgies, wings, and I sprinkled these on top of the salad. My man just got home. Brought me some flowers in this plastic. Aww. Some grapes, eggs, and plums. Good morning. I didn't greet you guys. I'm gonna make breakfast quickly. My husband just got home from work. Yeah, he was working a night shift, so I want to make him breakfast so that he can eat. He's currently showering, then he can sleep. I don't know what I'm gonna do the whole day. Probably join him in bed. Yeah, let's get to it. I'm feeling like a very nice snack. Guess what I'm gonna have? Homemade custard. I'm actually trying to boil the milk now. I use the paste method, so I'm doing only like 500 ml. Could be wrong because I don't have a measuring cup. Also doing laundry, so excuse the machine. There she is. I'm gonna have this. I used to have this a lot as a child with white bread, so I wanted that. We else would wait for custard to be cooked so they could eat out the, what do you call it? Is it the crust? It's not a crust because it's liquid, but yeah. It tastes so good. Happy Sunday. We are on our way to church. Thankfully my husband is not working today, so yeah, I get to drive with him to church again. I barely slept last night. I'm so hungry, I am so sleepy. I don't actually believe it, but yeah, we are gonna make it. We'll pull through. I'm wearing this dress. I hope my husband will be able to shoot like a video of my outfit and his outfit. We look nice. We look really nice. I'm wearing this green dress that I got from like shopping. I really love the quality of this dress. It's giving very much Zara. And I'm also wearing this cardigan that I got from, I forgot the name of the store in Mogaditane. And then I'm just wearing my heels from Legit. Last week I actually took them off and wore my sambas because we found picking, honestly it wasn't far from church, but we were kind of running late. So today I think I'm just gonna wear my shoes. They're just kitten heels, so it's not too bad. Anyways, I just thought let me catch you guys up. Let's go to church.
Jesus, what does it profit a man if he gains the whole world but loses his soul? You've given each of us here in this room, Lord, eternal life. And thank you that we can run every day with that joy, that hope, that assurance that we've got the best gift of all. And now you've invited us to partner with you, Father, in this great work of restoration, healing of people on planet Earth. People who are broken behind those smiles, people who are emptied behind all that they may cover themselves with, but deep on the inside, they're longing, they're looking for something, especially in a time such as this. And Lord, all you're asking us to do is invite them. Come, taste and see. Come and see. Taste. Being ambassadors, being co-laborers, more than the singing, more than all the things we do, being there on the
We're back home from church. I'm back in my pajamas because it's actually very gloomy today. My husband and I wanted to do something cutesy a bit later. If we had a braai stand, we were gonna have like a braai, but we don't. So we're just gonna fry some pork chops and then have that with garlic bread. We got garlic bread from Aldi. It's actually frozen, so yeah, I hope it tastes nice. We're gonna do that with the chakalaka that along came with. We've run out of pap, that's why we're gonna do garlic bread. And then we got sweet corn, so that's chakalaka, garlic bread, pork, sweet corn. I actually found butternut from butternut, so I'm gonna make that like during the week with like rice or just something, you know. Maybe I can make rice today with the pork and chakalaka. That'd be nice. Okay, we'll see. We'll see later. I'll definitely take you guys along. Yeah, I need to go wear a blanket now because I'm actually feeling cold. I don't know if I'm coming down with a little bit of cold or what. But yeah, plus I didn't sleep last night, so I need to take like a long nap. Yeah. Otherwise, I'm gonna be grumpy the whole day. Let's get started on Sunday lunch, more like a late lunch. It's currently 10 minutes to 4. I'm hoping we'll be done by 5 o'clock. Yeah. If only it was sunny and we had a pool so we could chill by the pool. And just leave my Sunday dreams. But you know what, it's fine. We've decided to cook rice. We didn't really cook yesterday, so decided to cook rice. I think we're gonna make butternut, potato salad, sweet corn. My husband got asparagus. I don't think I eat that. I don't think I've tasted asparagus, but I'll try to make it and then maybe I'll taste it, you know. I might like it, you never know. We're gonna have that with pork. Let's get started. We actually met a very nice older lady at the mall earlier who took a video of us. My husband and I were struggling to take pictures, and then she offered to take a picture, and she actually took a video instead. So I think she did the press and hold, so it recorded the video instead. It's so cute because she shot the video. You guys might have seen in like my previous clips. She was so nice. Sunday lunch is all done. I almost bent the pork, but this is everything we have in under an hour, literally. You guys, I'm staying outside. I was literally about to go. I want to go to the filling station. I wanted to get Cheetos and a soda so that I come back home and watch like a very nice movie or something. But oh my, it's getting worse. You know what, I can't risk it. No, I'm so bored. It hasn't been raining this heavy since morning. I mean, I knew it was supposed to rain, but they said like 5 o'clock. It's still like past 4. I thought I had a few more minutes. Thing is, it's too early for me to cook dinner. I can't cook dinner now. If I eat early, what am I gonna do at like 10? So I was hoping to buy some time with like Cheetos and a soda and just chill and watch something. And then when I finish the movie, I was gonna start making dinner. So Thursday, by the way, I know I said hi. Hi guys. Welcome to another day in this vlog. Very rainy day in Wales. I think winter's like here, like for real. Let me show you guys. You know, I could just wait for my husband to knock off so that we go together with the car. But I want Cheetos now. What if I don't find them? Oh, I would cry. And just like that, I am back. Let me show you guys. I guess we got what we went there for. And then I saw these. Somebody recommended in one of my vlogs, I'm not sure if it's Chileche, that I should try out these Cheetos that look like knickknacks. I think these are the ones. They only had them in like a small pack. They're 49p. I'll try them together. And then I got, it made more sense to buy the 6-pack Coke than a 2-liter. 0 sugar. Do not see why. And then I got this chocolate, Cadbury Marvelous Creation. I thought it was cute. It sounds nice. So we're gonna have that. Also got lemonade. Just wanted to try it out. Yep, sparkling lemonade. Nice. That's what we got. Right, I had to change my PJs. Let's try out the crunchy Cheetos. They smell like knickknacks and cheese snacks. These are so cheesy. They remind me of cheese snacks or knickknacks, just that these have like way more flavor. Honestly, I'm not a fan of cheese snacks or knickknacks. I have those like once in a long while. Yeah, I hardly ever crave them or have them. But they're okay. I prefer these big berries though over these. But yeah, that's my 2 cents. I'm gonna leave some for my husband. You guys, I'm gonna have to wrap up this vlog right here. I need to edit it, posting it tomorrow. If you did watch until this far, thank you so much for supporting me once again. I really do appreciate all of you guys. Just, you know, knowing that you guys are here makes it easier for me, you know, just to go through life, you know, go through the weeks with you, just vlogging like on a weekly basis, no matter what happens. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys. I will see you guys. I'm just gonna have my dinner. I made like a 1-pot rice. When I have like my lazy days, I just cook everything in 1 pot. Saves a lot of time, saves a lot of energy. It's a hearty meal. It's raining. Beautiful. I'm gonna have that with a Coke and just call it a night. Call it a night. Okay, obviously I'm gonna edit and post this vlog overnight. But yeah, thank you so much you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.